Alright, so today I will be forming an aileron nose rib for my Zenith Cruzer. You can see it here. There's the back side. It's got this nice compound bend right here. And we'll start with the form. So the form I machined on a CNC machine. You can see it's got angles, it's got the relief here, it's got the round over, which I actually did on a router, and it's got the socket head here for, or the relief for the screw. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this. Assemble out there. My blank goes on like that, and we'll get that squared away. Tighten it up here. Alright, so it's still got some play in it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this screw here to make sure that it's square with the top. And it looks pretty square here. And eyeball the back. It looks good. So I put a screwdriver there. And then just screw it all together. Do a final check here to make sure that we're even. And we're good to go ahead and bend. So I'm going to bend. I bought this hammer at Lowe's and actually machined this brass head, so we don't want to use the rubber head here, we're going to use the brass head here. And I know you can't see it here, but I'm going to start by bending down this face right here. So let's do that up here. Now, we won't worry about the spring back here, we'll fix that a little bit later. But then the next step is I'm going to go ahead and do this tab right here. Again, start at the top. Slowly work your way down. And now we have our back side done, we have this side done, but now we need to get the compound bend that goes around here. And for this, I will go ahead and set this up in my vise. And we're going to start slow. Let's zoom in a little bit. And we're just going to start at one end. And for this particular piece, we will reposition it quite frequently. See, the bend is starting to develop, but you just have to be patient. So just a little bit at a time. Try not to do so much that we get a fold. In the material. If we do get a little fold, we just try to work it out. got a little ripple right here. So we'll attack that next and just try to work it out, work it down. This is not going perfect. Done some better. Get this left side down. And we'll go ahead and try to hammer out the here. We're just about done here. Looks like we are going to have a little bit of a bend there. Alright, so there is our part with the compound bend. Go ahead. And there's our part. You notice that we have a couple bends that are not quite 90 degrees yet. And so for those, what I've been doing is using this block here. Just over bending it just a little bit to get that 90-degree bend. On a small part like this, you could probably get away with this. Alright. And get that there. And there we go. A nose rib. Now I haven't decided, there's this little hiccup right here that may be a stress concentration there, and that was my bad. Notice that this one here in an earlier example doesn't have that stress concentration there as well.